What went wrong? What happened all of a sudden?
Nothing. See, usually leader will be elected by members. There will be election. In my case, no election. Delhi appointed somebody. That to be my junior. So that's why I said, no, goodbye to.
You're such a tall leader. I mean, your contribution is so much. And didn't they concern about that part?
No, I don't have money. I don't have ED case. I don't have income tax rates. That is the lacuna. So that means I am empty-handed.
So what next, sir? I mean, recently, a few days back...
No, next is, yes, the revolution will come in the state. We will show what is our strength. What is the strength of the people? We will show it.
Do you think there's no respect for seniors in Congress party?
There is no respect for workers in Congress party. Only money. Recent MLC election. You have seen the candidate? Are they our party candidate? Who selected them? How they become Congress candidate? Till today nobody has given the answer. That Chikkad Jabbar, poor fellow, he spent crores of rupees. He came in Rolls Royce, we went in auto rickshaw back. Who made him the candidate? What message he wanted to give on behalf of the community? What do you think of Muslims? So that's why today I am fed up. I will give my one by one reply.
Sir, I mean, when in terms of Congress, when you had come up with a lot of good schemes. So do you really think about the schemes?
Who made the schemes? It was my. In spite of the schemes, why people refuse to recognize you? Because we were not there at that time. We were not there in the picture. I was not the candidate last time. You have seen the result. Now you see the result. Now I have come out. I have not gone to Zindagi. I have not gone any by-election. What was the result? 40,000. A man who was in Janata Dal, he won by 40,000. Now he lost by 36,000.
Sir, there was a time when in Congress party we had a lot of minority leaders, but today we hardly find some, and your exit will definitely have a...
They don't want a good people. They don't want good people.
So what do you mean to say by good people now?
The record is good, honest, from the grassroots level. They don't want it.
So what's your next plan, exact next plan? Like
Let us say I am discussing with all my people. 29th I am going to Hubli. There I am meeting that region people. Again I will come back. Again I will go to Gulbarga. There I will meet people. I will take decision.
So what do you think the fate of minorities in Karnataka?
Good. We got good future. Because here Karnataka, even non-minorities, Hindus, very good. 99.9% Hindus are secular. Here there is no communal as such this one. We are living in peaceful, we will live in peace.
But a tall leader like you exiting from a Congress party, do you think the impact of minority community will definitely have an impact?
It will have all, not only minorities, even all. It will be a tsunami.
So, okay, now you're going along with you, how many people are planning to...
I will tell you, let time come. I don't want to reveal now. I have kept the card just close. I will reveal.
So, did you get any calls from headquarters today?
Which one?
From headquarters, from Delhi, after once you...
I don't want to tell all those things.
Okay.